Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Dell NVIDIA Developers Meet, powering the next generation of AI.
So we also understood that how people were thinking of using GB10 in terms of memory usage, in terms of running models, in terms of accessing that from remotely.
For us, GB10 has kind of democratized the processing. We are able to experiment production-like pipelines, and that too without moving the data to cloud.
What excites me is the kind of solutions that AI can support.
I really enjoyed the event. There were a lot of insights. I really loved the aspects of AI which were discussed today and how it is going to shape our future.
Overall, I would sum it up great eye-opener for all of us to see how people can imagine in terms of they can use GB10.